I believe if you want to be a successful speaker, you've got to commit. You can't dilly-dally. You can't say, oh, I'll try and get an engagement along the way every now and again. You've got to say, oh, this is what I'm going to do. That's what I did, was that kind of energy. When you've got that kind of energy, you'll make it work.
I came along here because I'm looking to be a motivational, inspirational speaker in the UK, and I want to take on to a much bigger level, so it was really beneficial to come down and see it today.
Richard McCann is a very successful speaker. He's been doing it for a number of years, and to actually come and learn from him how to improve your speaking, to see the techniques, to see them analysed, and then get the tips from Nick Hill as well. It's been a very valuable day.
Everything that I thought was right, that everybody loved, I realised is completely wrong. I've got a new approach to it now. I've got tactics to put in place to stop the fear, the butterflies, the dry mouth, which I'm going to use. I'm going to use it actually on Monday as a starting point.
I'd say it was absolutely invaluable, you know, not only for education but for confidence.
So 10 out of 10, yeah, if not more. It's been brilliant, it's been really, really beneficial. Really, really beneficial.
When I came, terrified of public speaking, and public speaking is a big part of what I do, and I'll be leaving less terrified, but also I've got tools to take away, so I know how I can make the changes I need to make. I know where I've got to work on, and I feel fully equipped to be able to do that.
It was just, it's gold. It was just fantastic, and I've had a great time. I made some fantastic contacts, and hopefully some really good friends as well.
I'd recommend tonight's event to anybody that's on their career journey that wants to know how to get more gigs, how to be successful, how to transform the career, and the helps and nuggets and tips that Richard gave us was incredibly useful for speakers everywhere.